Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use this part design this 3D model design use a CATIA software and how to easily this body is designed here and use a multi-pad. Okay guys, this body is a design a multi-pad, use a multi-pad command and how to easily drawing this body, and this body is a multi-section is used here. Okay, and this is a isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect and this body is looking so nice here because this body is a correct and how to easily drawing this body, and this body is looking perfect. Okay, let's start here drawing this body. Okay, this is a perfect and okay at first click a mechanical design and part drawing this and some geometry is this body is created here. Okay, this is a perfect and all body is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing this circle is one diameter is 180 and this a small circle is drawing diameter is 50 millimeter and this circle is drawing diameter is 35 and this polygon is 20 and this rectangle is used here 30 millimeter and 20 millimeter, and this is a ellipse command is drawing here, and this is a minor axis 24.67 millimeter and major axis 45.32. okay, and this is a thickness is 40 millimeter is correct and all is a perfect. Okay, at first select a plane is a XY plane and drawing a circle is this and this mention in dimension is a 180 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is a looking perfect. Okay, this diameter is 180 millimeter is correct and then all is a green color means this is a fully defined and all is a perfect and exit and use a pad command is a 40 millimeter is correct and use this shading with edge. Okay, and all plane is hide because this body is looking perfect and this body is looking so nice here. And okay, and select this face, click here and sketch and drawing all perfect and this circle is drawing here, this is a perfect and center rectangle corner rectangle is drawing here, this is a perfect and again ellipse is a drawing this okay, this is a perfect body is looking here, this is a correct okay, and also hexagon is a drawing, this is a correct, all is a correct. Okay, mention any dimension, this dimension is 50 millimeter is correct and also this dimension is a 30 millimeter and this is a 25 is correct. Okay, this is a correct and also this is a 20 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this point is a better, this is a perfect and this is a measure minor axis. Okay, this is a delete here and also this relation is delete here, and use this measure axis. This at first take automatic click her measure axis and use a minor axis, and right click a minor axis is correct. This is a perfect, and this is a 45 is major axis, and this is a 22 is minor axis. Also 55 is, and then use a 25 is correct. All is a looking perfect. Okay, okay, this body is a so nice here, and all is a correct. Okay, so nice looking here, and draw a again circle. This is a correct, and this is a this body is a this relation is delete here, and also this is a delete here. Okay, and diameter is this is a 35 is correct. Okay, all is perfect, and exit. Use a multipad. This multipad is used here, and all is perfect, and this is a use this body is a correct, and also this is a looking so nice, and also this is a perfect, and circle is a this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and also this is a correct, and also this is a so nice looking here, and this is a correct. Okay, and this body is looking so nice, and also this is a correct, and use this body is looking so nice here. Okay, this all is perfect, and review is showing here. Okay, this is a correct, and again this face sketch drawing a circle. This circle is a again this, and diameter is a 50 is correct. Okay, 50 is correct, and use a X pocket command is used here, and preview is showing here. This is a perfect. All is looking so nice here, and again select this is a correct. Okay, not okay, all is perfect, and use a material. This click and apply a material. Material is a this is a steel is a perfect, and okay, this is a right click and use property. Reflectivity is very high, and this is a material is used here, and this is a correct. Okay, all is looking so nice. This is a perfect. Okay, this is looking so nice here, but some diameter is a okay, this is a space is a gap. Okay, this is a perfect, all body isometric view is drawing here. This is a correct, and this is a also this is a perfect, body is looking here, and all is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. This body is a correct, and this also this body is a correct. Okay, this is looking so nice here. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, guys, all process is learned here, and next lecture is coming soon. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.